Whatever. Let's get into the charts, baby. I haven't looked at anything in days. Went on an absolute bender this weekend. Feeling rough still. Um, yeah, just disasters. Right? Okay, let's see. Where are we at? Are we. Okay, so we've made $2 off of our realized profit and loss. This should be a 5. Awesome. Um, let's see. So yeah, we're looking for more than likely the prices. I didn't set any of my shit up. I woke up late. I couldn't pull myself out of bed. Absolutely struggling this morning. Let's see. Hide some of this shit. I did not study anything this weekend, so I don't really have a whole lot. I'm just gonna kind of wing it today. Is kind of the plan, and hopefully I don't just go lose a bunch of money. Um, like I still remember some of the stuff from last week, so. Oh, I got a little crazy with the coffee grounds this morning. It's got super strong coffee. Everything's pretty much like stabilized at the beginning of market open. Tesla's up a little bit, but I've heard. I was watching a live stream last night of some people that like really are good at this, and they were telling, or they were kind of saying that we can kind of expect the market to go down a little bit this morning. So we'll see how that plays out. One thing that I don't have my friggin' notebook either, which is crazy. I never don't have my notebook. Um, so I'm using this little tiny one. And because I'm gonna have, there's gonna be so much fresh shit on my mind this morning that since I didn't look at the charts at all this weekend, like no studying, because I was trying to kind of like not focus on it. I was trying to like just chill. Because I realized last week that I was just like I was sitting there like just getting my brain fried by this shit. So I took the weekend to chill and go party, have some fun, and then like we're hitting the ground running today. Well, we're hitting the ground with like a jogging pace. Because I definitely can't run right now. Alright, we'll use this pin. I don't have any levels drawn out. These are all pretty much old levels that look like they're still gonna hold up alright. Let's just move some shit here. And throw this as a low from 13 March. I wish that I could write, like I need to sit down and figure out how to like use TradingView like for real. So that I can like know how to write on all these levels. Okay, so we're kind of showing an uptrend. Alright, we got a higher, not even really. We got a higher low. That's about it. We don't even have a higher high in the daily yet, so. Nothing really fun there. That's really where that low should be, I think. Wednesday. I think that was a while ago. I'm not worried about that. Is this from my drawing the other day? Looks like it might be. My drawing that actually did not work at all and it went right through this level. Yeah, no, I did off stream make like 400 on my Trade Locker account. So that was pretty cool. Uh, so I think that this level is actually in a good place, and it is not going to get me super duper fucked. Okay, so I got a like POC down here. There would be a POCs here. See, that's something I do need to work on. I need to. I need to go finish that YouTube series. I started a YouTube series like when I first started trading, and I still haven't even gone back around to finish it. It's because I haven't had any time, and I keep watching other videos. So I need to go back and watch the ones that I started because I don't have much more of them. But it's a series from Catching Rockets, and that guy knows what he's talking about. He's pretty good. He doesn't seem like a scammer either. Alright. So we got a little uptrend going here. We're really high up in the, we're close to that 70. So I'm expecting a turn down is kind of what I'm thinking. Maybe something. I didn't even check to see if there's like any news coming out today. Coffee is not that great. It's too heavy-handed on that shit. Why is this shit set to auto vehicle categories? That is not right. News and politics, non-profit noise. None of this shit really is what I want it to be. I guess entertainment. Let's go with education and entertainment. There we go. Alright. I don't know. I'm still kind of expecting it to like continue a move to the upside. We opened above this point of control. Got hell of volume right up in here from last week. Friday got it screwed everyone over, didn't it? Alright. We got a strong move to the upside on the opening. Alright, let's see. See, the thing is, I have no levels here. Like, I have nothing to play off of because I'm not set up at all. So let's see if I can find something to set ourselves up a little bit. And so we have like a POC here. And hella volume right up in this bitch. Well, actually, we saw him break through this right here. So, actually, our volume's gonna be right up here. The pussycat. Come here, Dylan. Look at Dylan. Boop, boop, boop. He made a guest appearance. Celebrity. Celebrity, some may say. Isn't that right, buddy? And then we've got... Because what? We made a week high, like... Where the fuck was that? I mean, was this the week high? But I mean, we know, like, through here, there's not gonna be shit. You know what I mean? Like, it fell through this area last time. Like, I don't have anything to go off of. Like, this could keep running back up, or it could come up to, like, one of these lows from the last time and not even make it that high. Because, like, we saw a bunch of volume here, so around the 5692 point, like right here, draw a horizontal line. What's this? What day was this? Tuesday, April 1. Why can I not type in that shit, dude? Fuck you. Dude, this is gonna piss me off. I need to learn how to draw levels. I was trying to look at this shit on my phone the other day, dude, and even on my, like, laptop, it's so hard to read this fucking chart. I also do not have this shit set up right at all. Honestly, this is that move to the downside that I was... So, we're... So we had... liquidity was fucking swept from the top. You know what I'm gonna do while I'm sitting here? I'm put these fucking stickers on my mug. This one got fucked up. It says I Fly from Avimco. It's my insurance company. There's hell of static on my cup. Damn, this poor sticker. Oh yeah, buddy. Hell yeah. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. I'm just kind of waiting for this bitch to kind of do something. Doing well. Well, I haven't made any money yet. Oh shit, I was trying to do that one. I just fucking accidentally hearted the wrong message on iMessages. I've never done that shit. This shit's gonna move back up. Oh, let's hit it. Fuck it. Buy order. I'm getting greedy. It's just, I'm already knowing it's gonna... It doesn't know what it wants to do. I feel like it's gonna move back towards that PSA. It's like... Because we're in that mid-range again. I don't think it's done testing this level. That was probably the worst trade I've ever taken. I'm not gonna lie. And I already see why it is. So while I go here and lose a bunch of money, I'm gonna talk about why I think this trade was shit. Because you have to learn from mistakes. First off, there was no fucking volume over here. I didn't use all of the shit that I have to offer. I didn't look down here until way after. Our volume profile is showing literally no one in here. Like, there's no one here buying or selling anything. Well, there is. I can't remember what the blue is. See, this is why I have to go learn what these indicators actually mean. It's not even right. Yeah, we're about to get stopped out, like, so quick, bro. Blue is down volume. Yellow's up volume. Okay. Yeah, so we had a fuck ton of down volume already. And yeah, yep, no, that was about right. That's about what I was expecting. That was okay. Okay. And that POC just flipped on me. Wow, get fucked. Like that is insane. I'm thinking it's gonna come down here and maybe check this level again, or maybe we might go down and check the. If we check this POC again, we're going down. Look how many times we got denied off this shit. If we get below this or even like break through it, we're gonna keep moving down. Like I can confidently get into a trade here. If we start to see consolidation here, I might bank back for the upside and try to get on a move back up because we are starting to get a little undervalued on our RSI, but we're also I kind of forgot what I was in. Anyways, our control is lower by a lot. I think. Let me see. Whew. Whew. Just look at all these fucking shits. What is this one? Ames Aviation. Oops. Beautiful sticker. It's fucking crinkled up to hell. Okay, that candle's pretty, like, it went pretty far, but it didn't. Oh, I almost spoke too soon. No way. I got hit with the fucking. I just got retailed like a motherfucker, bro. That is insane. They caught my ass. Fucking put the sticker on my coffee cup. That was a retail trader ass move where I was like, oh, it's done going down. It's going to go back up. Absolutely played. And I'm going to overlap all my stickers. The sticker's shit. Cape Air, get your shit together. And then the only one that's not, it's not a fucking air, like flying. It has to do with flying. Holy, oh, no, I wasn't paying, I need to start paying more attention. Okay, let's see how it happens here, because I got in late. I would have bought at the POC. Let's see if it breaks this level. I'm gonna guess it's gonna consolidate here a little bit, and then we might see a move back to retest the POC, but then we're gonna go back down. Let's see if we can get that move back. Like this is kind of what I want to see. Boop, and then I'd check back down because now we're super undervalued. So we're gonna have to see some kind of move to the upside before I'll get in. Like I won't get in on this, but unless I see something move back up. Can I listen to music on the stream? Like, is that no bueno? Am I gonna get in trouble? Like, obviously, oh shit. Obviously, I'm not gonna get like some insane copyright charge. Like, but is YouTube just gonna fuck me and make my already non-existing watchers base? Alright, move to the upside and then a fucking shot back down. Look at, there's no fucking buyers right there. No one is buying right there at all. Dude, this might be like a TJR kind of trade day. Look, we can always fucking fair value gaps. Wait for a retest on the fair value gap. On the 5-minute fair value gap. Wait for a retest on the 5-minute fair. Look at that shit, dude. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm trading just like fucking TJR retail trader fucking fanboy, bro. Wait for the retest on the 5-minute fair value gap. And then bankroll. Like, bro, shut the fuck up. Ain't none of that shit real. It's all fucking scam, bro. That's how they sell their course. That's not, you don't actually trade like that. As far as I'm aware. I don't know. Some people do. And it probably does work for some people. There's probably people out there that make a whole lot more money than I ever will. That trade like that. Good for them. Look at that. We're already... Fuck. Dude. That shit is ruthlessly moving down. I swear, my boy, the fucking Drake candles. You can't even see that because of my fucking shit over there. Yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter. Oh yeah, nah. You got that right. That's what I thought. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right. So we're going to look for a move back up. Because, look, we're starting to see some upside pressure. There's some buying pressure here. And we're going to wait. Look for some kind of indecision. Kind of like how we had here for a reversal. Not really a reversal, but you know what I mean. You know what I didn't check with my fucking Discord server this morning? Not my Discord server, but... Oops, that's not right. He said, what's happening at 540? I don't know, can we move that much? Yeah, we could probably move that much today. But I'm about to get in short right here. Okay, welcome into the trading. Just glancing over the Discord server I'm in. I'm not paying for anything, but oh, here we go. Okay, so I've finally got... Oh, shit, we got Apple and Amazon on Thursday. Oh, that's crazy. That's going to be a wild one. Those those aren't. I don't, Meta's on Wednesday. Microsoft's also on Wednesday. To be honest, I'm gonna put a sell order right here. Okay, I lied. What the fuck? Oh yeah. I don't think that shit's gonna get past that down volume right there. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna give this trade a little bit of room to breathe. Alright. Not a bad entry. I'm actually really happy with that. Look at, because there's nothing here, dude. We're just gonna hit off. We just hit off of this bottom volume, and we're going right back down. Really solid entry. Yeah, there's nothing supporting it here. It's just gonna fall, dude. Let's see, what do we got? Unemployment rate. Oh, we got a bunch of shit happening. Q1 GDP. I wonder if that's gonna do anything. I just don't know any of this shit. Oof. It's gonna consolidate a little bit, but that's alright. Okay, yeah, the GDP shit is gonna be a big deal. Really not shit happening in the old server. Oh, dude, the server got rinsed at the end of last week. I was looking through some of the profit and losses that some of the people had made, and they got fucked. It was so bad. I just need a quick little 3-point move to the downside. Beauty. Beautiful. Because we already got one. 53 to 49. We already got one. We just need one more. Fucking. So.
Targeting this VPOC up here at these 55, 57s right now.
That's my fucking boy. He did the same shit. That little blue that you saw in there was the fucking sell limit. Dude, see, I'm telling you, I'm tapped in. I'm on the wavelength, bro. I'm on the fucking wavelength. I know what I feel what everyone else is already seeing. I'm not saying I'm right? Like this could shoot up and fucking stop me out, no problem. But what I am saying is I feel it, you know? Like I know where people are like, okay, I see, look, like we've got this little area of volume right up here. you know, there's nothing happening in here. We're gonna get pushed down. We're probably gonna get rejected off of this, just because of, you know, we saw a huge retracement at that fucking like opening retrace. It moves in the opposite direction of the like what the market is opening at, and it's gonna come back down. Right now we're consolidating. This is scaring me, but it's also kind of giving me hope because we're consolidating in this area where there's nothing, and we just keep like buyers keep trying to like, but it's just not happening. And then all we need to do is just fucking go recheck this. Like, I'm not really concerned about this trade, but here we are. Whew. And respond to some messages. Oh yeah, I'm also like super fucking sunburnt, like all over my back. Like it's so bad. And it's like a itchy sunburn. Like, oh, it's the fucking worst, bro. My just shoulders were hurting. I can't really lay on my back right. It's just uncomfortable. It's so hard to work out because I can't lay on a bench and like I can't retract my scapula. So like going like this and like bringing my shoulder blades back. Oh, that shit hurts. Speaking of the gym, your boy's down like 10 pounds. I've lost all my fucking gains and I'm a little skinny bitch now. Yeah, so the sunburn is burning. Your boy's getting a little fucked up. Okay, this consolidation can fucking quit, dude. But it looks like, just I don't know, dude. It's making me fucking nervous. I need to stop looking at it. See, this is what fucks me up, bro. Is I'm looking at it. Blur line. Fucking noggin itches. Oh, it's gonna be a long fucking morning, bud. We're just getting boned over here. Like we're not doing bad. We're on the green side. It just keeps retesting this fucking like area and it's not going anywhere. But if we make another move down to the bottom, like it's fucking wraps, bro. There's just a good enough amount of buyers right here to push that back up, but we know we got a bunch of sellers up here, right? Like this area, look at all those sellers. They want the price to go down. So I'm already knowing, like I could more than likely like move my stop loss to here with some level of confidence because I know that these sellers are up here and they're more than likely still there. Because we're just playing off of what we know. But we see right here, there's a bunch of sellers still. Like I can't speak this morning. There's a bunch of sellers back here too. So if we break through these buyers, which is what this is right here. Ew, fuck, your breath stinks, dude. You're adorable, but man, you smell like ass, dude. Alright. What? Fucking say what's up, Dylan. What? Look at the camera. Meow. Just like, put me the fuck down. No. He's still up here. He loves me. Oh, I need something to eat. I'm fucking hungry. Big day today. I'm gonna try to hit chest with the sunburns today. Those chesticles big. Really need to start hitting shoulders, bro. My shoulders have been absolutely chopped. So we're gonna play Wordle for a little bit. Let's see. Because people are here for the trades. They're not here for the fucking Wordle. Alright. Let's see time. It's like New York Times. Oh, what the fuck, bro? There's an M in it? What? This is difficult. Okay, we know I-E and I-E-S-T are all not in it. Bro, I'm fucking... Okay, so I know S isn't in there, but let's just say... Okay. I don't like that. Damn, we're seeing hell volume right up in here. Oof. See, there's just hella buyers right here, so I might get stopped out, honestly, on this one. I mean, I could move my stop loss out, but then there's just no saying what it's gonna do. What? No. Fuck has an M in the middle of it? Dude, you're fuzzy and you're making my nose itch. Look at this cute little fucker. He's just sitting here fucking Needing biscuits. But like first thing in the morning, my fucking nose is sensitive as a motherfucker. Um, the fuck has an M in the middle of it like that, bro? Wow. Okay, I need to stop doing this. I've wasted so many by just doing that. Okay, there. This is bad. Rumple. Oh no, dude, no. Alright, I need the sellers to clutch up here. Alright. There's a chance I get stopped out on this one. Alright, I could have made a bunch of money right on that first. That's not a word. Just coming up with shit. I don't want to do. I could do fumes, but I don't want to use the ES again because I know it's not right. And if these two aren't one of them, then I just wasted that bitch hard. Watching this again because I think we're making that move back down to the downside. The 5-minute fair value gap comes in crazy here. The 5-minute fair value gap goes wild. Let me turn this off. I'm not trying to give no one free game. Oh shit. Y'all don't want to see the fucking Wordle. Oh, fuck. My nose itches, dude. It's your fault. Look, this little fucker, he just... Oh, wait. Okay, you can't see him. Alright. Stand by. Oof. No. You're going the wrong way. Yeah, there it is. Alright, there goes 96. Bones. No. That, I don't know. That makes me think that we're just gonna keep going up, dude. I wonder if he meant 950 and not 940. Or 540. Like, I had someone text me that if we can bounce off of the 550, then he said 540 though. Fly left C. Okay. I'm not gonna trade on the POC because you don't know where it's gonna go off of that. Like it could go anywhere, and I think that's what screwed me up here. Was I traded way too close to it. Like I need to see a move from it now. I won't be going until about 12:30 today. I'm calling it because I can't be streaming all day. See, now our POC moved again. We still haven't, like, the price action is shit today, dude. Like, it's not moving. This formation just makes me think that we're going down, though. Look. Like if I see another candle stop here or open, if the next few candles open around this area, I mean, I don't know. If we break 550, I'm placing a sell order. So I'll go ahead and I'll put a sell order here. Watch that get sniped. I don't know, maybe I should move that like down to here. I mean, that's like a 1-point move. That's not shit. But everything over here is showing an uptrend, you know? Fucking open this up again. I need to fucking study because I'm not like. Dude, this is why traders can't be going out like that. Like, and I know that. But now I'm like, I knew that when I went out, like, you know, this was gonna set me back a little bit. See, I'm seeing an uptrend, bro. I don't know. Because here we're super undervalued and we're not that far away from it. Like, it just doesn't seem. But we had a weak high here. I think that high is going to turn into like a support level almost. But I think we could easily see a move back down. Let's just stay disciplined and see what happens. It's moving really good right now. Like, I'm about to get in. Like, this retracement, that's where I should have bought in for sure. Like, I should have seen that retracement in the POC switch. Dude, that was such a, like, going down move. But this was the disciplined decision, I believe. And I just don't know about this. We'll see if we get filled. Like, if it closes below 550, I think we'll be alright. No, why is my position not opening? Oh shit, I may have just gotten lucky as fuck. Let's clear that out for a second. Just see what's gonna happen here. Let's just watch it because we're consolidating around the 550 area. But I want to see more confirmation. If we show another move back up, like now, I'll buy in on the top of that. I mean, do you think I could snipe a little one from right here? Is that like 1 point? No, let me not. I'm not trying to get greedy here. I don't know why my order didn't fill. Well, I guess it doesn't. I got lucky that it didn't. Okay, we're down $2,700. Fucking love that for me. It's so funny that number's gotten so fucking big. dog. We're under the EMA, or under the VWAP, and we're having trouble getting across it. If we get across it, then we'll more than likely move up. Look, that was the second recheck. I bet you we go up. Boom. Boom. Down. Just hard as fuck. Because it'll probably do this. Like, move up, hit this POC again, move back down. Because look how strong the fucking sellers are right here. Which one was it? Were sellers blue or were sellers yellow? I already forgot again. Up volume, yellow. Buyers are yellow, sellers are blue. Hella sellers. Hella up volume up here though. Hella sellers right here too. Hella sellers, hella sellers. It's not ready yet. It's not ready for a move down. Should I just like full port this bitch and just see what happens? Oh, the voices. Alright. Stop looking at that shit. Why is it not? I'm just not. I don't know. I'm just not sure today. It's just consolidating right now, and it's so hard to. Like, it's in between two levels of something right here. Because I was watching this guy yesterday, and this motherfucker's chart, he had so many levels. Like, so well determined based off of like previous POCs that mattered. I mean, he had shit from the year, like. Let's kind of see what's going on here, because honestly, we might end up getting in it right here. Why the fuck, dude? I like this. Just because, look, we're we're getting back towards this VWAP. I mean, there's the chance that we do what we did last time. We bounce off, come back, and then I get stopped out. But we also know that was a weak high. And it wants to move back to the POC. We're pushing. Oh, what a good trade. Oh, what a good trade. Happy with it, dude. $100. Not bad. Easy. Just like that. What a wonderful trade. Just look, it's showing, it's doing the same thing. It's just consolidating, bro. Look, it's probably gonna go back up and retest this shit again because it's not breaking the 550, and we know that. Look, it's already moving back up, but it's also not breaking like this 551 level either, or the 552. Like we saw a lot of resistance right here. Look, even some back here. Like, it doesn't want to get back above this. This area right here is kind of meh. Like, it's not happy with this area. This was a quick move down. I called that candle really, really well. And this one right here, it came back quick. Like, that was a perfect take profit and a perfect stop loss. Point of control is coming back. We got a higher high, or we got lower high, lower low. Oh, not even a lower low. It didn't even form a lower low yet. I mean, if I see consolidation again here, then I'll fucking buy in. Like, if I see like a 3 candle placement here where it's not getting above the VWAP, I'll buy in again for another short. Now, I may even go bigger. Looks like it's already kind of doing it. No way it does it again, right? Look, we're getting ready for another sell order here. it doesn't look like it's gonna do it again. Well, if we close near this POC, then I'll snag another one. Snag another. Ooh, see? That's why you gotta be patient, bro. Right there. Because I'd have put my stop loss right up here. And look, that POC just moved on us. Holy. Oh, that could have been so bad. Oh, that could have been so bad. So that was good patience. Good patience today. Write that as a note. Good patience. But here, now if we... See, we're finally... So, like, the way I like to look at this is, like, the POC is predetermined. It's already in one place. And we just don't know where it's at quite yet. And it's just, like, we're getting all the information that's showing us where it's going to be for the day. And as we get closer towards the end of the day, we know more and more where that POC is going to be. And, like, that daily POC. So we're playing that. And we're just kind of waiting. And a lot of this shit is just waiting. You just wait. Like, patience is key, bro. If, you know, the longer you wait, the more you're gonna win. Like, that's what happened here. Look at this fucking delay. Like, I took this, it's like a buy order here. Because I was looking for a retracement off of this, but I bought in too early. You know? Like, I think our POC was up here, though. So, it's hard to tell. But that's why you gotta wait. Stop Dylan. He's trying to knock shit off the desk. So, like, this is, to me, this is forming that, like, parenthesis shape. Saying that it's gonna, like, come back around here, you say? And then, oh, shit. Okay, that looks terrible. Stop that. Yeah. Parenthesis shape, and then it's gonna turn back down. So we'll see what happens. Not that the shape is what fucking matters. What matters is where the people are. Like, are they trying to sell here? Because we got hella buyers down here. That shit shot up quick. But we got sellers right in here that are pushing that shit down again. Like here. Like, if this shit crosses the POC again. Because our highs are not that, like, strong, but our lows, our sellers are killing it today for sure. I mean, that move right there was, like, set the stage. See, our buyers are weak, they're indecisive, sellers are strong. Buyers are kind of weak and indecisive, sellers are strong. Weak and indecisive, I'm waiting for more strong sellers, and I'm going to hop in there with them. Hop in that bitch with them. You're trading with the market, not against it. Oh, let's see, we still got those indecisive buyers. We're on an up move. We're not gonna get in on this. We're also above our VWAP for the first time in a while today, and this is the longest we've been above it since 9:50 this morning. So I imagine it's coming soon. I mean, we're turning back down on the RSI. We're right in the middle. Still moving to the upside. I'd like to see some more confirmation and get a little bit higher up before I take a sell order. I don't think we're going to see another drop like this. And this honestly might turn into support. Like, this might turn into a supporting area of volume where the buyers are starting to take back over. It's crazy. This market is just such a, like, very simple outlay of supply and demand. Like if you've taken any college micro or macroeconomics, that's all this shit is, bro. Supply and demand. Where's the value? Okay. Like, and see, I'm fixing to miss a trade here. I like this. Take profit. Wait, why the fuck? See if we can just take another 100 here. And we're just gonna let it breathe and just see if it'll get back down there. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, awesome. Oof. I don't like that candle. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah. Like, we may not even get that low, you know? Like, we may end up, like, somewhere around in here. And, like, I'd be cool with that. We may move back up. I got a bad fill on this one, so... Yeah, no, we're gonna get stopped out on this one. I got a bad entry on this. I should have taken it here. I mean, it's not over, but like this is not confidence inspiring the way it's stacking up like that. It could be like how we had here, where it stacked and then went down. But we'll see. Not too worried about it. We'll monitor that. Now that we're in a trade again. It's actually looking pretty nice. If this closes out below this one, I'll bring my take profit down to this move back up. Let's wait a second. If this candle, no, if this candle closes out like how it just was sitting, like that indecisive shit like up here, oh, I'm fucking out. I'm done. I'm taking the little bit of profit I got. Okay, we're good. Yeah, no, that should... Right there. Wants to. It wants to. Oh. Blue balls in me, bro. Come on now. I'm bringing that stop loss in just because of the way it's forming this next candle. You see, it didn't make another low. So there's a chance that it retraces. Yeah, but... And I could probably let this one breathe and it would probably move down, but it's just not, it doesn't, yeah, it's just not going to do that today. It really, because now it's going to move back up, and I'd rather get out for 40 than, I got really close. My take profit was really good there. And, you know, like, because it was here, So we're probably about to watch it move down because I got greedy. But, like, look at this formation. Like, we've got, like, a higher low here. And look, that's exactly what's happening, is it's going to move back up. I knew it was coming because you see how far away we got from this POC? Like, we're getting long moves to the downside. But then as soon as it gets back to that POC, it's just going to slow down. It's not going to keep going up. It's going to slow down and keep riding it out. So it'll probably make that turn back up. But this is starting to show an uptrend. Because we just had 3. Bang one there. Bang one there. Uptrend. So, yeah, look. And it's probably about to break it. And nope, not quite. You know? So, we'll see. I'm not going to trade anything off of that. Like, right here. And yeah, that would have been our $80 win. So, oh well. You live and you learn. I should have just waited a little longer. Been a little more confident in my trade. But to be honest, I'm not unhappy with what what that just looked like. Let me see. Yeah. So we're up 140 right now, and we're down about 170. So to break even for the day, we need another like 30-ish. So we'll hang out for one more trade and see what happens. I'm just shooting for 4 trades today. Or 5. We'll do 5. Just to give myself the opportunity to break even. No, we could easily just get even worse and lose another trade. But, we're learning, dude. See, I should have just been patient. I could have made I could have gone profitable in that trade right there. Technically, I was profitable on Friday. I made like $50 just in the back of the car. So, no. Again, more paper money. It wasn't actually me trading any of my own. Which is another thing that I'm actually going to set up is getting my Robinhood cash account set up so that I can day trade on my Robinhood. And we'll see if I can start doing some moolah over there. That would be awesome. Like, if we can make bread on Robinhood, be great. Oh yeah, look at that fucking move to the downside, man. Yeah, see, we rejected off of the VWAP and moved back down hard. Because look at these rejections. This one rejected hard as fuck. It didn't even bring that EMA up. Went down, rejected. This one actually touched it and rejected super hard. I mean, dude, killing it. There's our previous day highs. That's probably why we're struggling. We were struggling to get to this area. Because like, here we saw it. Here we saw it. It broke through here. And then there's some support down here though. Something's keeping it up. Cause like we even see that over here. Like something is keeping it up in this area. Same thing here. Like there's some volume. Like buy side volume here. It's supporting it. Got this high here, which doesn't really matter. We already broke it, so. Oh well. I mean, if this decides it wants to keep moving down and get like around here again, like we've already seen it happen twice today, I'll take a buy on it and say it's gonna move back to the POC. Yeah, like, I'm actually kind of liking this because the sellers are not confident. This is a terrible fill. I can't get in there. Like, I need a little bit more confirmation. It's getting matched. Yeah, we're going back down. Oh. I'm gonna do a buy order here. Take profit. We're not gonna see a move to the upside like that. Alright, no, that's not fucking happening. I don't know, the 5-minute candles are giving me some confidence here. So, oh shit, we gotta move, we gotta change this. Big updates, big updates. Yeah. Putting a dent in that bitch. Alright. And now we monitor. Alright, let's play connections. Alright. Is that moose? Train, bear, tire, hair, board, tire mark, exhaust, plane, spray, spare, favor, fiber, wax, simple fingerprint gel. Okay, so we got exhaust, spare, tire. Don't like that. It doesn't move to the upside though. So I mean, fuck is a tire mark? No. Mm. What the fuck is this? What is a moose? Where? Oh, the fact that that's going to be on the internet forever. Even if no one sees it, that's still embarrassing that I even said that out loud, and the fact that I'm losing $30 while I'm saying that. Damn. Alright. Take an L on that one. Alright, let's see if we can get into another buy order. Okay, it's low-key revenge trading. I might just cut my losses for today. I need to figure out where the car is, because all my gym stuff is in the other car. Looks like they're on their way back. Oh, wait, hold on. We might be on the other side here. Because if we close out below 550, we're going down, and I'm taking it. Let's just take it, dude. This was a bad trade. It was like revenge trading, but yeah, because now it's fucking. I don't know, dude. It closed out 3 times below that. Let's see. Let's open our horizons a little. Because I think we finally just broke out of this consolidation. And now we're going to see a strong move to the downside. So I'm going to play that strong move to the downside. Alright, bro. Oh shit. Alright, we're gonna play this, bro. Because I'm feeling good about that. Oh fuck, dude. I can't see shit. Yeah. It doesn't seem as far on the 5-minute chart. Like like that seems like a reasonable price action. But like we broke out below that fucking area that we were stuck in. So. Oof. Whoa, where are you going? Where are you going? Oof. But you see, we did get rejected on bit last time. That was a shit trade. Oh, dude, the trades today have been so rough. I'm just, like, I had the 2 good ones. These, like, the last 2 were pretty good. To be honest, if we go into profit for, like, $20 again, I'm going to take it. I'm just going to take it and call it a win and just end the day on a high note. And I want to go. In fact, while I'm just sitting here waiting on this trade, I'm going to go through and I'm going to fill this bitch out. Damn, look at all this. What the fuck was all this shit for? This is what I'm for that personal finance class that I never fucking did anything for. Okay. It's April. Alright. Let's take this bitch back. To the very beginning. Alright. April 16th. I'm gonna do a like overall cost breakdown. Alright. April 16. Okay, there's a lot. So we got 0.01. Okay, let's just start with negative 38.19 negative plus 2.3 negative. Ah, I hit stop loss. All right, well, we're done for the day. Let's see, we'll just add all this shit up. So 2.3 plus 5.4 plus 16. Okay, so that's what we ended off the 16th with. So minus 5, 1, 6, 5. How many trades was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trades. Okay. I love how I got the little plus 13.2. Hey, don't worry, guys. We're recuperating some. We won $13 in there. And then minus, what is that? 49. 680 on the 17th is crazy. Okay. Airplane. Sounds like one of the Senecas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trades on that there. 18. No trades. 21 was our next trading day. 21 we did. We didn't make $1 on that day. Oh shit. Okay, so minus. This was a 4 trade day. Okay, so 22. This was the day that I did like 20 something trades. Fuck me, dude. This is gonna take a while. Okay, minus 193. Minus 31. Plus 4. Plus 60. Minus 97. Plus 41. Damn. And how many trades is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that was the most trades I'd ever done in one day. Another rough day. lots of rough days in here. Holy shit. It's two. Hey, but we made that $2 back. Two. And that was fat. No trades. Alright. And then 24. So this was the last Thursday. I mean, should I count my trade locker stuff too? Because my trade locker is where I was doing it. That's where I cooked and made like $400. Honestly, let's do it because I made the trade. So I'll pull up my other shit in just a minute. I won't put my other. I'll put all my losses in there too. Because I got space on here. So I need to be honest with myself. $2 day. Plus like a 400 though, so I think I was actually up like $400 on that day. So plus 2, 4 trades. And then today. Minus 69, minus 99, plus 100. 99 minus 50. Six trades. I actually may have been good on that if I would have just kept my stop loss where I wanted it. Because my take profit was here, I'm pretty sure. Or here, maybe? But see, it did break out of that key level. I just got retraced and fucking hit my stop loss. So that wasn't a bad trade. It just was bad take profits. I've written that down like 4 or 5 times at this point. I'm gonna hang out and wait for a retracement actually, because I'm not done yet. I'm not done losing money yet. Literally not one. What? Stop it. Stop. Okay. Alright, we're down another $400 over on this account. Lord have mercy. But this was our big win. This was the big day. That was where we made our first like big dollar. Alright, let's see. So we got the one on the 21st that we gotta add in. Oh, minus 271. Ouch. For a total that day of what, buddy? Total loss of $757. And then 22, we didn't do anything up here. I lost 500 on the 23rd. Oh my gosh, okay. 552. And that was in one trade. Rinsed me. 232 minus 2. Wait, shit, no. $785. 5 trades again. No, definitely negative. I'm gonna circle my losses. Underline wins. I really hope on the 24th we didn't go too crazy. Oh, we did. What a bastard. Oh wait, no, I only won on the 24th. Oh shit, dude. Fuck yeah. Oh, I did $410 on the 24th. Holy shit. Oh shit, I didn't even remember losing all that money in the car. I was... Oh shit. What was I doing trading at 4 o'clock in the morning? Why was I awake at 4 o'clock in the morning trading? And why don't I remember it? Oh, Lord have mercy, dude. What the fuck? What the fuck was I doing up at 4 o'clock in the morning? I genuinely do not remember. That can't be right. I just don't believe that. So 8:31's not right. Oh, because I think I'm on the wrong time zone. Because I think I made that trade when I was fucking chilling in the damn... I think that trade actually happened on the 24th. That Bitcoin trade, and my fucking estimated entry time is wrong. Whatever. I'm not gonna let it hurt the 24th day. Something like lost 61.71. So Okay, yeah, we're starting to see something off of these levels back here. It might reject off these levels. I look for a move to the upside. Ooh. I mean, I'm gonna wait and look for a move to the upside and see if I can just cash here. Alright, this is gonna be my last trade. And I'm gonna go for a big take profit. I'm not gonna go crazy on the stop loss, but where are those other levels at? That's 1-1. I don't want to do that. I want to do. Alright, this is gonna be the last trade of the day. I'm not gonna sit and watch this one. I'm actually just gonna get up and leave, and then come back and look at it tonight when I was sitting on the study. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. I probably won't trade anymore after this. Call it at 11:30 today. And then, yeah, I'm gonna play this reversal. Hopefully we can get all the way back up to that. Take profit. If not, oh well. If we can, then great. You know, it doesn't really matter to me. I'm expecting. Well, fuck, dude. I want to move this down to here because I'm shooting for that POC again. That's where I'm thinking it's gonna be. So yeah, that's where we're at today. And I'll see you on the next one. If anybody's watching this after the fact, I appreciate it. We're gonna get back on it and start studying again, and we'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow.